I have a very special home tour for you today because you can win it. Yep, this multi-million-dollar home in Camberwell could be all yours thanks to the Royal Melbourne Hospital Home Lottery. If you love delicious earthy interiors dripping with luxurious finishes, you're going to want to see this. I can't wait to get inside. You coming? Welcome to the new $5.3 million grand prize home. We've got a lot of ground to cover today, guys. I'm not going to lie. Which way to go? We're going to head here first. We are on a sloped site, so it has created these split levels, and this is quite unexpected. The Sunken lounge on arrival. A beautiful view here out onto the pool. And also, do I look really small to you? Because just the immense scale of this home, there is so much to see. I can't wait to get up there. But first, must continue. Love the travertine detail in this as well. Very earthy textures. This is a powder room with a beautiful custom stainless steel vanity and this French rake plaster finish on the walls. You just want to touch it. It's got a really subtle curvature here as well for the nib wall. So we have our toilet tucked in there. It's giving boutique hotel. So this is the first of 4 bedrooms in this home. This is the only one that's actually on the ground floor. So this one looks out onto the garden and also that hit and miss brickwork. It's a great size. There's really good storage, which you're going to see throughout. And a very generous ensuite as well. Very earthy porcelain tiles. You're going to be seeing these a lot more throughout this home, so keep an eye out. Okay. This is our double garage, and we step down. You've got storage, full-size mirror, so you can check yourself before you walk out the door. More storage. They really have gone to town, and as they should on such a big home. We're about to go into the laundry, which is very practical because it leads outside, so you can put your washing in there. But before I get to some pretty stuff, can I show you just something that excites me more than it should? This, it's a nothing room. But do you know what? Every home needs a nothing room. I love that. Maybe that's the mother in me, but I just need to have a space to throw all of the things that you don't want to be seen. So we are in our laundry. Really calm and pared back here with the palette. It's got a great feeling, very good looking washer dryer. But behind the door, guys, what are we gonna find? Ooh, do you know what? You explore. I'm gonna meet you around the other side. Woo-hoo-hoo. My goodness. Just when you thought it couldn't get any better, and this room shows up. This feels epic. I love the high ceilings, so 3.7 meter ceilings in here. I have got to talk about this island. Look at this beautiful angle on it, and also this marble. So this is Velacquer gold marble, a metallic detail at the base. This feels really nice because everything else is quite rectangular, so I love the way they've kind of opened it up with that angle in there. It comes through with this creaminess in the stone and a bit of a nude cabinetry color. It's all very warm and earthy. This wraps up, is picked up beautifully with that lighting. And this is great, this blackened steel feature. I was really excited to see this. That creates quite a lot of depth. We've got an induction cooktop. We've got dual ovens here. And in fact, this is where we've got more storage. We've got our fridge. Secondary kitchen, very similar palette and treatment to the laundry. And again, pantry, space upon space, cupboard upon cupboard, very functional. The fire is going. Woo-hoo-hoo. This is lovely. I'm just taking a little moment here while I warm a little tush. How good. This has such a great feeling. The earthiness of these textures, I love that coffee table and also the side table as well. The palette in here is really nice. Like, it's neutral, it's warm, it's sophisticated, but it's just very earthy and layered. It is very generous. I love the way this living room opens up, and also you've got the dining room here as well, and you can see that detail with the water. That's a great feature actually, that low-lying window running all the way through here. I think it's time to go upstairs. I love the carpet. Do you know what? I'm so glad this is not grey carpet. And I've just realised it matches my shoes. Perfect fit. This is where you can see the sunken lounge in all of its glory. I like this little detail. So a bit of an office area so you can pay your bills. Not your mortgage though, because you don't have one. And here is our main suite. Generous, very generous size. Again, we look out onto the front garden. But can I show you this? Because little moments like this really excite me. This is just a beautiful detail here. Get your perfumes, get yourself ready, the natural stone, the light, the mirrored splashback, like just more storage. It's just a big tick. Oof. So we are in the main ensuite. My goodness, looking out onto a skylight. This has got a great feeling in here. I actually love the amount of space that this bath has around it. Am I the only one that like brings a lot of things into the bath? Like for me, I've always got stuff. I've got an iPad, a book, nail polish. It's a whole party. So that's kind of like my dream situation around there. Maybe that's just me. But look at here with this marble detail. I really like the treatment of this and the way they've wrapped those timber drawers. It's also got this really beautiful detail here with this rusty vein. It's a very sophisticated palette. It's very consistent, but they've got these moments with these darker features, pops of natural stone. It just feels good. Toilet is hidden through here. And then we have our shower tucked around here. Plus, we have got a very generous walk-in robe. Tick, tick, tick. A huge room. All of these bedrooms are so generous, so much storage for every single one, and very big en-suites as well. Love the consistency of that tile. A secondary living space. I really love that couch. It's a beautiful chocolate marble. And this is great as well. Do you know what the only thing that's missing from here? Your family photos. Kids' drawings, the works. Make that yours. This is quite a fun space. And the last of our bedrooms, I actually really like this one because it's got a window that looks out onto the trees and the clouds. And again, beautiful ensuite, shower, skylight. One of the first things I noticed about this home was how dramatically the mood changes from outside to in. The exterior is really quite strong and contemporary. The facade establishes privacy while also strategically framing the view of the gardens. I really love the clever use and textural detail of the hit and miss brickwork and dark timber cladding, but then once you're inside, the feeling shifts completely. It softens. There's a quiet sense of restraint that really gives the interior a timeless quality. Layers of warm, earthy tones, natural stone and textured finishes are really what makes this home feel calm and inviting. This home was brought to life by luxury home builder Mazzei together with Webster Architecture and Nathan Burkett Landscaping. Positioned on a sloped site, the steps have been used to naturally define different zones throughout the home without relying on walls. These split levels create moments like the sunken lounge, which is quite a surprise when you first arrive. I was actually chatting with the builder who was really proud of that sunken lounge because it was a space that really evolved a lot on site. So originally they didn't actually have any plans for that built-in seating. They were instead just going to rely on furniture. But after consultation with the interior designer, they felt that that bench seating would be a much better option. And my goodness, is it? I love that built-in seating. It's very central, it's very intimate. It creates this real conversation pit, and I really love the way they've accentuated it with that really earthy, deep and rich travertine. The view from that lounge is also what makes it quite special, looking out onto the lap pool and then peeking into the kitchen and living. And this space where I am right now is sensational. The sheer height of the ceilings with that custom cabinetry running right to the top, the immense scale and dynamic movement of the kitchen island made from Velakis gold marble, and the metallic details are really quite interesting. The use of the blackened steel as a feature in the fireplace, but also the range hood and kitchen shelf. Not to mention the metallic detail at the base of the island bench and also the cabinetry hardware. The custom stainless steel vanity in the powder room, that was quite unexpected, but not startling. And the way they've incorporated these metallic finishes has really given quite a timeless palette a little bit of edge. I also like that the secondary kitchen and laundry are much more pared back. It gives those hardworking spaces a completely different feel, but they still feel consistent. Texture is the key element in this home. You'll notice that there are no big blocks of colour. The palette is quite muted, but it's not bright and it's not white. It's layered neutrals that are calm and timeless. The lighting design is also quite special and really helps to make these grand spaces feel quite intimate. Layers of considered warm lighting at different focal points, as well as functional task lighting, all add a beautiful rhythm and warmth. This home has clearly been designed with both family life and entertaining in mind. Beyond looking beautiful, the layout is incredibly functional. Every space connects seamlessly, particularly on the lower level where it feels really intuitive. Aside from the ground floor bedroom overlooking the front garden, the bedrooms upstairs are generous and practical. No fighting for bathrooms in this home. You are all sorted with en-suites in each. The main suite is a very good reason to try and win this home. It feels more like a boutique hotel than a bedroom, let's be honest. Natural stone running throughout, drenched in light, your very own private retreat. This home is the latest grand prize in the Royal Melbourne Hospital Home Lottery, valued at an eye-watering $5.3 million. That's not just for the home, but everything you see inside, plus $50,000 in gold. That, my friends, is what we call a game changer. Actually, life changer. We're talking a fully furnished designer home, mortgage-free, that just so happens to be located in one of Melbourne's most prestigious inner eastern suburbs. Let that sink in for a moment. But also don't think too long because there are limited tickets available for this one. If you want to be in the running, you do need to buy a ticket in the Royal Melbourne Hospital Home Lottery. There's over 5,000 prizes to be won, including luxury vehicles and dream holidays and so much more. And every ticket sold goes towards supporting the Royal Melbourne Hospital. Are you feeling lucky? Click the link below or head to rmhhomelottery.com.au to get your ticket. Good luck. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this home tour. Did you have a favorite space? Let me know in the comments below because I do read every single one. And if you want to see more videos from us, be sure to subscribe. Got plenty more coming your way.